According to the Upanishads, Om is the primordial sound of the universe, which is very beautifully described in the Mandukya Upanishad. In the quantum physics, the universe began with a vibrational singularity, just like Om described thousands of years back in the Vedas. So friends, try it yourself. Take a deep breath and chant Om. Om. And keep chanting this. Once you start chanting this Om, you will find a huge difference within you. We have a free online meditation called Maitri Sambodh Dhyaan in which Om chanting is a part of it. So do experience the power of Om, and please do leave in the comment section your experience of Om chanting. Hari Om.